Grand Rising, my people, Grand Rising, to rise and fight again, to rise and fight again. Now, I know you see this picture. This picture was me, my people. This picture was me. This was me when I was still eating the American diet. The crazy thing about this, my people, is our people think that this is the normal way that you're supposed to look. When you clean your body and clean your mind to the people, our people, when you get around your family and you really change, they think that you looking like this. They think this is not normal. They think this is sick. That shows you how mentally our people are not thinking right. My people, I was sick. I was taking all type of medication when I was that big. All type of medication. What am I taking now? I'll show you what I'm taking. Here we go. This is what I'm taking. Natural medicine. Pears. Natural medicine. Peaches. My people, it is so hard for my people to let go of that poison. I understand it because it was hard for me. But once you understand that our people, and you know that our people are from diseases because of this, looking like this and overeating and not eating right. Like, our people want us to be okay with everything. Like, be okay with yourself. Like, I'm sorry, but no, I can't be okay with it. This is me and my love. We've been on this journey for a minute. We both understood what was up. And we quickly snapped out of it. It's up to you. I can't make anybody do anything. But if you know the truth, my people, live by the truth. Because we were both still on the American diet. We was eating, we love to eat pizza. Every pizza place. Every burger place. Every restaurant. All cookouts. We was eating everything. We had every meat on our plate. Sausage, ribs, pork shoulders, brisket, potato salad, beans. We had every meat on our plate. That's not normal. My people, looking like that is not normal. And that's what our people think, that we're supposed to look like that. That's not healthy. We both were sick. We both were borderline or something, health-wise. Now, when you realize what that American diet is doing to your body, you will quickly wake up out of that and get up out of it and change completely. And it is possible. It is possible. My people, I had low self-esteem. I was not okay with the way I looked like this. And a lot of people try to act like they okay with and comfortable with being this size. You're not. Deep down inside, that shit hurt. Period. People are so quick to say that this is our natural way of looking because of Big Mama eating all that soul food, eating all that slop. That food they gave us, our people, was for a reason. You cannot think clearly when you that size. I was not thinking clearly about anything. I was still listening to the bull crap. I was still watching the North, East, West, South. I was believing everything. You don't go outside the box when you this size. Because mentally, them foods have the chemicals in it and it keep you in a certain state of mind. But hey, who am I? I'm just a person on here just trying to give my people the truth. That's all I'm trying to do. My people. My people, my people, my people. You must understand that being healthy is way better than being overweight. Our people need to understand that. Being overweight is not healthy. It's not normal. It's not. And you can get off those medications if you change the way you eat. Love y'all.